We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone showing two white phones on the screen. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is in a wireless recovery mode. Perhaps you accidentally ended up in here and now you want to go and get out of it and get back to your normal phone. We're going to guide you through how to go and do this. So what we need to do is we need to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now go and keep that held down. I'm going to show you what you need to do next. So as you can see, I'm still holding it down. The screen has now gone black. We're continuing to hold it down. And you can let go when you go and see the Apple icon, as you can see. Now, if it doesn't happen, you can try repeating that. Press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button, and then release it when you see the Apple icon. Hopefully you've managed to go and fix it. Leave a like if you found this useful.